Very nice. Way back job. Oh, the screen's broken. Oh well. Got another one for it. See if it's even gonna work. Yep, she's live. Okay, so it's true, there is no RAM in there. Weird. Either Sony or Panasonic. Anyway, got some RAM in here. It's powered on now. Oof. I don't know why they broke the screen. Pictures. Yes, it's got the Radeon. Sweet 64. Oh, hell yeah. That's the high-end card for this thing. I've seen some of those online. They go for like $100. I mean, they don't go for $100. They're listed for $100. Sucks about the screen, though. Here's the picture. It's flawless. It sucks. Let's take it apart. A scratch right there. So, UXG from 2002. Paint's good on the palm rests. Take out and clean in there because there's gunk in there. What the hell happened to this thing? I wonder if this is a replacement. What is NSU? Leave a comment. A little too much there. I was just really focused on it. Didn't record much. Wait, does this have the newest BIOS revision? That is awesome. Because I don't think the battery's gonna make it.